Trying to sand my kitchen floor, and my Hercules that is a year old, and this is the third time I've used it, stopped working, and I really need it. I gotta get all of this mess from the vinyl that was on the floor up. I got it plugged in, it just kind of started slowing down and quit. So you're gonna need T20 and T15. These are the 20s. This is the 15. Alright, seems like that spins pretty free. So I got the side screws out, but forgot that there were 4 up top. So that's pried off, and that's what this looks like. There's 2 Phillips there holding the top together. I'm gonna pull those out. Alright, there's a few pieces you gotta take out. These here sit right in the top there. And then this piece with the Phillips, you take it off because the body will not come apart. So once you take that off, then it will split. When I turn it over, that drops off. And then up top here, pull this plug off your power switch. There we go. All right, now that it's apart, this will slide out of the windings. You can see that's really dark. Now let's look at the brush. There's one down here. It still moves. And here's the other one. It doesn't move at all. Looks like it has worn itself all the way flat. All right, so I got the brush pried out of there. And it still looks like there's about half full, so maybe it's stuck in there. I'm gonna try to push it out. So I took this flat blade and I scraped the brush because it wouldn't move. And now it will go in and out. So I'm gonna put it back together and see if that fixes it. All right, so I went ahead and put the centerpiece back in. And then once I got the case together, I put the brush back in and compressed it without it being plugged in. So I've just got these 2 screws in the top here. And I'm going to test it before I get the whole body back together. See, there's nothing but that on the bottom. Well, it's working. So it was the brush, but it really stinks. So I don't know if that brush will continue to be under tension, to be pushed out. But I'm going to use it for as long as I can because I called, and you only get a 90-day warranty with this, and it's only a year old. So you can either buy the extended warranty or take your chances. All right, it is back together. Let's test it out. Well, that's not good. Turn it up. I think I know what it is. Part that is supposed to spin underneath here would not. All right, got that back off. I'll pull off this plastic piece here. All right, now let's see. Nope. So I did this and helped it. See, it's a little more free now, but I think it just had a bunch of junk in there. Because it was getting down. Better yet, I think I know what it was. I had a piece fall out when this was off, and they put it right here. Look at it. All right, so I got that washer out, and made this big piece go all the way down. That washer goes between here and the fan, and so now it spins easy with this plastic in. Okay, it's back together. Take 2, 3, whatever it is. Let's see. It works that way, but it won't work with this on. And I'm thinking maybe this here is gripping too much. So I'm gonna take that off because it doesn't vacuum up the debris worth of crap. So let's put that. All right, I'll take 11 to 2. Nice. So is this the proper way to fix this tool? Probably not. I mean, this part was there for a reason and now it doesn't work, but I don't care because this was headed to the trash because it was a $55 paperweight that lasted 3 uses for 1 year. If you go buy one, get the extended warranty or go buy a different one. But for now, I'm going to use this as it is until it stops again, and then I will throw it away. Just wanted to close by saying I put a sanding pad on it and went at it back on the floor, and it lasted a whole 5 minutes before the sanding head melted off of the part it screwed into. So it's trash. If I had to make a suggestion for you, buy a different tool, not this one. Good luck.